What's up, crypto crew? Today we're diving into crypto crackdowns, what new laws mean for you. From the EU's new MiCA rules to US SEC shakeups, plus India's digital rupee and a global crypto roundup, we've got it all. Buckle up, this is your 2025 update on crypto regulations and how you can stay ahead of the game. Let's go. First, let's jet off to Europe. The EU's MiCA, Markets in Crypto Assets regulation, is live as of late 2024, and it's a game changer. In a nutshell, MiCA sets strict rules for crypto firms, especially for stablecoins and crypto exchanges. If you're in the EU, your stablecoins need to be MiCA approved. That means fully backed by reserves and following new disclosure rules. USDC and the new EuroC got the green light, but Tether's USDT, not so much. Big exchanges already delisted USDT in Europe in late 2024, so EU traders are swapping over to compliant coins. Always check if your stablecoin is EU approved. MiCA mostly targets centralized players. It doesn't directly outlaw DeFi protocols or privacy coins, but it encourages best practices. So we're seeing DeFi platforms ramp up transparency. On privacy, expect tighter AML KYC rules. Mixing services or privacy coins like Monero are on regulators' radars. If you want privacy, non-custodial wallets and VPNs can help, but stay legal. Here's a privacy tip. Use a hardware wallet and a good VPN. The market is already shifting. Many shady projects got blacklisted. Non-compliant coins are getting delisted. That means fewer scams and more trust for EU crypto. Here's a downside. New projects face a longer approval process, so innovation is slower to launch. But on the flip side, EU-approved stablecoins and exchanges are seen as safer bet by investors. EU crypto friends, here's your takeaway. Stay compliant, only use MiCA-certified coins and regulated exchanges. Follow the new passport rules. And if you like privacy, explore those decentralized apps, but stay on the right side of the law. Now, let's zoom across to the USA. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been the talk of the town lately. Under the new administration, things are looking a bit friendlier for crypto. A 180 from a couple years ago. The SEC versus Coinbase saga is ending. In February 2025, the SEC announced it's dropping its lawsuit against Coinbase. That's huge news. Similarly, the SEC paused its case against Binance too. Even the long fight with Ripple, XRP, got an unexpected ending. The SEC gave up its appeal in March 2025. You heard that right. The SEC backed off in Ripple and Coinbase cases. The SEC has a new crypto task force led by Commissioner Hester Pierce, also known as Crypto Mom. They're cooking up clearer rules. They even said meme coins aren't securities, which was a major relief. They also confirmed crypto mining isn't a security. And they're being pushed to clarify that staking rewards aren't securities either. Staking rewards not a SEC red flag? Let's hope so. On altcoins, the SEC is easing off. The Crypto Council for Innovation asked the SEC to clarify staking is not a securities activity. If that guidance comes, it's a game changer for Ethereum and other staking platforms. Even with this softening stance, Americans should still be cautious. Stick to regulated exchanges, but you can breathe a sigh of relief if you held XRP or participated in ETH staking. Always keep good records. Uncle Sam still wants his taxes. Key takeaway for US viewers. Regulations are in flux. Don't panic though, there's some daylight emerging. Stay informed on SEC updates and consider using compliance-friendly tools. But also feel free to diversify. Explore DeFi or staking cautiously, since new guidelines may favor innovation. Over to Asia. India has been a crypto goldmine for years, and 2025 is no different. Let's break down the top three: digital rupee, taxes, and how users are reacting. India's e-rupee is in pilot mode. By 2025, we're seeing experiments like farmers getting purpose-bound CBDC loans and even state welfare payments in digital rupees. However, full public rollout is TBD. So far, it's mainly controlled trials using UPI QR codes or specialized wallets. A digital rupee is coming, but you probably won't be buying coffee with it just yet. India taxes crypto gains at 30% plus about 4% cess, one of the highest rates globally. There's also a 1% TDS on transactions. No loss offsets, even wallet transfers get taxed. Here is our advice: keep meticulous records. Tax apps like Coinly or CoinTracker can be lifesavers. Even with these rules, India loves crypto. Chainalysis ranks India top 5 in crypto adoption. P2P trading is huge. DeFi is growing fast, with people using DEXs to avoid centralized controls. If it's risky to use a bank, people use a DEX. So for Indian crypto fans, stay savvy. Use tax-friendly tools. Consider holding longer term. Use decentralized wallets and DEX platforms, but never hide gains. Stay compliant. Time for a whirlwind world tour. Crypto attitudes vary widely by country. Let's highlight a few key players in 2025. UAE, pro-crypto. Abu Dhabi and Dubai welcome exchanges and token projects. Exploring a local stablecoin. Even visa perks for blockchain pros. Nigeria, turning corner. After a 2021 ban, Nigeria reversed course. Banks now work with crypto firms. P2P trading continues to thrive. New law classifies crypto as securities under Nigeria's SEC. El Salvador experimenting, first to make Bitcoin legal tender. In 2025, Bitcoin acceptance is now voluntary. Government involvement is winding down. Most Salvadorans still prefer cash or USD. China crypto outlaw. Mining and trading are banned. Banks must block crypto transactions. China is pushing its own digital yuan instead. Others, Singapore, Switzerland, Malaysia, Japan, mostly pro-crypto with clear licensing rules. Russia legally permits holding, but not much else. So whether you're in Europe, the US, India, or beyond, crypto is evolving fast, and the laws are catching up. Your best defense is, stay informed, stay legal, and keep your crypto secure. Smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Magnet 20, and share this with your fellow traders. Until next time, keep stacking sats and dodging scams.